Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to transpose data in Excel. This is a super handy trick, especially if you want to switch your data from rows to column or vice versa. So let's start the video. First, open up your Microsoft Excel worksheet. Now select the data range you want to transpose. This is our sample data in columns. Now right click on the selection and click on copy. Now click on the cell where you want the transposed data to start. So this is the cell. This could be in the same sheet or a different one. Now right click on the selected cell. Now under paste options, click on transpose icon. So click on it. And just like that, your data has been transposed. So that's how to convert columns to rows in Excel. On the other hand, if you have data in rows, then repeat the same steps. Copy the range, then right click on the cell and under paste option click on transpose. Data arranged in rows has been converted into columns. And that's it. Transposing data in Excel is really that simple. Thanks for watching.